This is the MySmile Teeth Whitening Pen. It's the dental grade, deluxe, at-home whitening system. Results in 10 minutes, non-sensitive formula, whitens up to 8 shades. Who would have thought? Let's open this box and see what's inside. Whitening shade guide, 2 pens, 4 milliliter sizes, twist it to release the gel. Let's see how it works. Step number 1, we need to clean our teeth, which means brushing and flossing. Number 2, apply it to each tooth, making sure not to get it on your gums. Number 3, relax for about 30 seconds. Make sure you don't eat or drink anything after applying the gel for at least 30 minutes. Use twice a day until you reach your desired shade, and you can look at your shade chart. To make sure your gel doesn't dry out, make sure you replace the cap and store it in a cool place. You may want to put it in the refrigerator, and then go out and smile your little heart away. Smile all your blues away. MySmile's Tooth Whitening System.